Hi, my name is Jonathan Alejandre and I'm part of Team 2. And I'm here to explain to you how to use the codesign technique to make the features and the user experience of your product or service. Okay, basically what is this about is when you are designing a platform or when you're designing an app, this is when you use it. Why? Because you need to know what are the most important characteristics or features that a specific customer would like to have. So this experiment is pretty easy to do. So you just need to have a white screen like that, like this, and give to the customer a little bit of what do you call this? A little bit of features so they can start placing them in where they think it's the best place for them to be. So like that, they say, okay, for me the most important thing in here is the map. The next important thing here is the profile of the people that is going to be with me. And this is an example of our platform, for example, the platform that we proposed in this midterm exam, that is a platform where small business and pymes can send their products locally instead of using FedEx that is going to cost a lot and it's in a lot of places out of the state. So here it's pretty easy. We just give them the white screen and they can add the features that they really need or they really want in the platform. So they can tell us about how they feel, what they would like to see, what is important, what is not important, and with that we can test the user experience and the design of our platform. This is basically how you do this. Thank you very much.